The theme of free spirits draws together two extraordinary operas and links them in a way which I think for the audience means if they have the chance to see both pieces, they will get more out of each piece. And obviously one of the motives of that theme was the sense in the 1920s and 30s of the kind of rising tide of appetite for women's liberation. And what both pieces encompass is a kind of amoral female character who exists outside society, outside the rules of society. That's why she's a free spirit. And who represents a kind of sensual, erotic force, which when unleashed on society causes tremendous havoc and disruption and chaos, mainly among men, for obvious reasons, but not exclusively. I think the connections between the two pieces are very evident simply in the style, the personality of the two main characters. Both pieces are set in a world of the 1920s, 30s, and there are all kinds of topical references in both pieces. The vixen makes a whole speech about women's rights to a bunch of chickens before she eats them. When the fox is trying to court the vixen, he says to her, "Do you smoke?" And she says, "Not yet," slightly embarrassed at her lack of modernity. Lulu is full of also such references to banking crashes, stock market bubbles, the world of the 1920s and 30s. And you could say that both pieces are exploring the idea of the beast in man. Is that a wonderful thing or is that a frightening thing?